Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara blazer with you. If you don't want to miss any pieces of this, continue watching because I have different type of size, different type of length and different type of sleeve. And if you don't want to miss any one of them, continue watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, the first items I will be sharing in this haul is this amazing shoe. I ordered this shoe from Zara. I don't know if you can see the details. What caught my attention is the heel. Look at the details. If you have issue to work with heel, I will say give this shoe a try. I don't know if you can see the details. You will see it on the cutout. This shoe is amazing, and the look, the aesthetic is what caught my attention because it have this yellow, neon, lemon. I don't know how to define this color, but this shoe is amazing, and you have this opportunity to tie your rope around your leg. I would say this type of shoe is very lovely because the neon is very settled and the yellow is very settled. So it's something that you can use as green, you can use it as yellow. If you have those outfits, those neutral outfits, you just want to pair a pair of shoes so that you can just elevate it, I would say this is the pair of shoe for you. Personally, what caught my attention is the finish of this shoe. I don't know if I'm able to show you the front. The details is amazing. You will see it on the cutout. This type of shoe, you can't go wrong. It's those type of shoe that will take your basic to the next level. I just love this type of shoe. I know that even with leggings, short skirt, dress, you can go wrong. It's very lovely. So let me show you the details once again. It's amazing. And for size reference, I decided to take it in size 14. The only defect that this shoe is part of the new collection, so it's full price. I will leave all the details, I will leave the links below. It's a full price, but I just love this shoe. I love this type of elegant shoe that take your basic to the next level. I will say this shoe is amazing. So you will see it on the cutout. It's very lovely. I hope Zara have it in white because I have intention to pick it. When I saw this shoe on Instagram, I know that instantly I want it in my wardrobe because I think it was something that is even more expensive than Zara. When I discovered that it's Zara, I said, you are coming. I decided to order it because Zara did not have it in shop. But this shoe is amazing. Like I said, it's very gentle to the feet. So let me know what you think about this Zara new collection of shoe. Guys, the first number I will be sharing for this blazer collection is this number. When I saw this number, I know that I need it in my collection because I love doing Zara blazer haul because I think it's something, especially this period when they have their sale, it's just a way to build your wardrobe because it's an opportunity to build those items you need. Since they have the sale, it's just a way to take your outfit to the next level. I would say blazer is must have. It's those items that take basic to the next level. That's what I love about blazer. I decided to share blazer sale because I think blazer sale is those things that is very useful. You can't go wrong with blazer sale because especially from Zara, they have amazing blazer. Look at this gorgeous number. I will say this number here is very elegant, and the fact that the price point is amazing. So I will leave all the links below so that you can go to your local shop. They have it on green too. It's something that you have interest for. I don't know if you can see the details. And for size reference, I decided to take it in L because this number here is part of those restrictive ones, so it's not oversized at all. I don't know if you can see the details of the button. I would say this type of number is very lovely. It's something that you can style with your floral dress, you can style it with shorts or jeans, you just name it. I love blazer, and especially if you're a fan of Zara, you know that this year they really take their blazer to the next level. Zara at times they can be funny in all items, but blazer they're always in point. Look at this amazing number. I think you wouldn't think that the brand that is even more expensive than Zara. I will say Zara well done, and you have this finish of nude inside. I think it's amazing. I just love the shining vibe, the elegant, the class. This type of number, it will take your simple leggings to the next level. And if you want to dress it up, since we are in summer, with a floral dress, you are ready to go. And if you're somebody that loves bodycon dress, I will say give a blazer a try because it's just a way to make it look put together, very elegant and chic. And this number here with a black denim short, blue, white, just name it, is amazing. I just love the fit. Let me show you the length on me. I will leave all the links below. I think this number is amazing, and the fact that the price point is very lovely, it's tasteful, I will say you can't go wrong. It's just a way to build your wardrobe. Making use of the sale to build your wardrobe, buying those items that normally they are very expensive, because when Zara have their sale, I prefer to buy the expensive pieces because I think it's just a way to build your wardrobe, because Those affordable items, you can buy them every day. I think the expensive pieces is the one to buy for this. It's just a way to build your wardrobe. Those items that you will find it difficult to buy normally, I will say give it a try. I think they have amazing collection. Guys, thinking about classic, thinking about elegant, sophisticated, taking your wardrobe to the next level. Look at the number I have here. Wow. I don't know if you can see the difference, because even the blazer I'm wearing in this video is still from Zara. I hope you can see it. Look at this number. I hope you can see the difference. This number here is amazing. The one I'm wearing is a little bit fitted one. I will even leave the links below because Zara have it in set too. This number here is oversized. I don't know if you can see it. You have this oversized effect. I was just thinking for those days I want to wear leggings or I want to wear short. I think this oversized number will just take me to the next level. Or if I have any business with a neutral jeans, I think this type of number you can't go wrong. Or if you're somebody that love cropped, I will say combine cropped with oversized blazer is just a way to look bougie, elegant, chic, but at the same time without overdoing it. I love this number. Look at the details of the button. I would say this number here is gorgeous and the price point is amazing. If you are searching for a brown blazer that is very, very elegant, is chic, I will say go for this number. But in fact that does not have any golden button, so it's going to work for you as a blazer for work. I think brown blazer is those blazer that is very, very classic, is elegant, is evergreen, and is always appropriate. Since it's brown, it's not white, is not colorful, so it goes with everything. It's just neutral. I love neutral items. Neutral items is those items that you will wear it 10-20 times, nobody will know that you are still wearing the same blazer, because guess what, it's neutral. It goes well with everything. The yellow one is nice, but at times, you know what, if you wear it continuously, it can become your uniform. So I will say go for neutral if you don't have a lot of blazer. But if you have a lot of blazer, why not give a color a try? It's just a way to give inch of color to your collection. Personally, I love this number because I have other brown blazer, but I don't have this fit and this color. I don't know if you can be able to see it on me. I just wanted to give it a try, but I see that the fit is amazing. It's very, very lovely. Guys, talking about elegance, look at the one we have here. Look at this number. Wow. Look at this blue oversized blazer. And it's something that you have interest for. So I don't have the pants, but I decided to pick the blazer because I was just trying to build my collection of blazer. Although I have a different type of blazer, I love collecting blazer because I think it takes my outfit to the next level. So it's something that I don't mind spending my money with. Look at this blazer, the elegance, the class. Look at the oversized effect on me. Wow. I will say this number here is evergreen, although it's blue, but it's something that you can style all over again. It's very, very settled. You can use it as an everyday blazer. You can use it for work, for church, for business, for more official place. You have opportunity to travel with your blue denim or a black denim or white denim. Look at this number. You can't go wrong. It's very, very lovely. And if you are going out, a bodycon black dress with your sandals, black sandals with this number, wow, you are going to take it to the next level. Like, this number is amazing. And if you have any floral dress, a baby blue which goes with it, very, very gentle. I love this type of number. I decided to pick different type of color, different type of style, because I know that people that is watching my video, we all have different type of taste and different type of wardrobe. I decided to pick number that I think I'm missing in my collection. So I decided to concentrate on the number I think I'm missing. So let me know what you think about this number I'll be showing you, different type of blazer I'll be showing you. I think this blue, you can't go wrong. It's gorgeous, it's elegant, it's chic. Or with a total nude outfit, if you are somebody that is shying away for color, if you are going for work, a brand pants with a cami or even a basic thing, with this number you are ready to go. And if that is a baby blue, it goes well with different type of denim. So let me know what you think about this baby blue. Guys, thinking about summer, this is the classic of all classic of summer. A colorful blazer cropped. You can't go wrong for summer. It's essential. It's those items you can style with almost everything in your wardrobe. Your dress, your massive skirt, your super high waist jeans, your tailor pants. Wow, this number here will take it to the next level. I think it's very, very chic. It's put together. Although you are traveling, you just need something on top of your shoulder, or you are going to church, you don't want to expose yourself to, I said this is the number you need. I think every girl needs one or two of this one in your wardrobe in summertime. Personally, I love adding on top of my shoulder. It just makes me look put together, very, very tasteful and elegant. And for size reference, I decided to take it in L. And the price point, guys, is amazing. You won't think it's even a brand from Zara, but the price, the way they bring it down, this number here is very, very affordable, something that you have interest for, and it's very, very light. I hope I'm able to show you inside. It's amazing. I would say this blazer is gorgeous. Personally, I love styling this type of number with all my neutral, brown, white, black. You can't go wrong. I love styling this type of rose with a total white outfit, a total black outfit. I think we just take it to the next level. There's something about this blazer with a monochromatic outfit. If you're someone that is fan in Instagram, you will see the way the girls that are styling it with this total white outfit, a total black outfit. We just add it to top of their shoulder. We just take them to the next level. It will just call your attention. We just bring the attention to your shoulder. Let me know what you think about it. With a massive dress, you are going for a picnic or you are going for evening out with this number here on top of your shoulder, you are ready to go. I think this number here is very, very tasteful, and it's something that you have interest for. Zara have a shirt that have almost the same color. I think they don't need to be the same color. You can combine something that look alike. We are in summer, so we can catch fun with color. So let me know what you think about this amazing number. Guys, thinking about amazing number, I decided to pick this shirt. I hope you are able to see it. One is very, very affordable. Two is very, very elegant and chic. Let me show you something. I have a intention to style both of them together, so let me know what you think. Although I can style this with other items I have in my wardrobe, let me know what you think about this combination. I think playing with this type of color for evening out is very, very elegant and chic. For daytime, I will use this with different type of jeans, massive scaled dress I have, but I think both of them in the evening with a piece of nude heel or white heels, I think they will look elegant and chic. You will see it on the cutout. Guys, let me know what you think about this combination, if I'm overdoing it, but I think both of them look nice together. I think it's just a way to take color to your wardrobe without overdoing it, although they are very, very colorful, but I think matching them together, they look very, very tasteful and elegant, especially for those days you are going for evening out, you are going for dinner, you don't feel like wearing dress, but you still want to look very, very polished and put together. I would say this is number for you. It's just a right way to play with short blazer, but at the same time looking very, very tasteful and polished. I think personally, this is my dinner outfit. I love it, and the fact that the shirt is not restrictive, because I don't know if you can see this, I decided to take it in large. I think I can eat all the food I want to eat, so I think it's plus, and the price point is amazing. I will leave all the links below. This shirt is very, very affordable, so let me know what you think about this mix and match. Guys, the next blazer I will be sharing is this neutral blazer. You can't go wrong with neutral blazer. I will say neutral is a classic blazer. It's evergreen. It's those blazer you will use all over again. Look at this number, guys. I will say this number here, I will say I see it like personally the place I'm living, I will say it's something that I can use from September upwards, because this number here, I don't know if you can see it, is a little bit heavyweight, but I decided to pick it because of the color, because of the elegance, and the fact that it's very, very affordable. You can't go wrong with this type of blazer. It's very elegant. Look at the finish. I think it's amazing. It's just a way to collect things that you know that you will use maybe 2 months time, 3 months time, or between your wardrobe, because I see myself styling this with super high waist jeans, with my cropped or with oversized carmine. I think we look put together very, very elegant and chic. I just love this number. I don't know if you can see the details of the button. It's amazing. I will say Zara, well done. And you have this shoulder part effect. So if you are searching for a blazer that is very, very affordable, that you will use all over again, I will say give this number a try. And the fact that it's not colorful, I will say it's plus. Look at the finish on the back. I say this is well made. This blazer have those shape that the shoulder is very, very wide, but the finish on the waistline is a little bit stitched in. So it's something that you want to stitch your waist in, just show your waistline with a super high waist jeans, skirt, dress. You can go wrong. I love this number, so let me know what you think. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is evergreen, a white blazer. You can't go wrong with a white blazer. Look at this gorgeous number. Wow, I hope I'm able to show you the length. It's huge. You can go to your true sizings, this number, or you can size down. Look at this number, and it's very, very affordable. I decided to pick different type of blazer, different type of length, different type of size, and different type of color. Like I said, we all have different type of wardrobe. Even this number here, although it's a very, very summer blazer, but I see myself styling this in winter time, because it's something that you can really play with a jumper. Since it's sleeveless, you can really play with it. You can go wrong with a black denim, a black jumper, with a black boots. This number, you will take it to the next level. You will just create that white and black monochromatic outfit. Look at the length, it's amazing, it's very, very lovely. And for this summer, if you have somebody like me that those days you want to contour the stomach area with your bodycon dress, nobody will know. Nobody will know. I say this number is amazing. I know that I need it in my wardrobe, and in fact that is very, very affordable. I will say this plus. And if it's something that you have interest for, Zara have it in black too. So let me know what you think about this blazer. I think it's gorgeous. The only thing I will say, Zara, where is the pocket? I think pocket will be a good idea. Let me know. Or maybe we make your stomach area look funny. Let me know what you think about this amazing blazer. Let me show you these details. You have this cutout on the back. I think this blazer is well done, and in fact that is very, very affordable. So guys, if you want to build your blazer collection, I will say this is the time for you to go to Zara and pick your pieces, because they have different type of length, different type of size, and different type of shape. So it depends on your taste. So I'm trying to pick different type of shape and different type of length. So I think I'm trying my best to do a great job. So let me know, support my channel and subscribe so that you won't miss any video. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this number here. Wow, this number here, I've seen it around in other color, but when I saw it in neutral, I said come home. I just love it. I think with any oversized white cami, wow, this type of number you can play even in winter time, because with oversized jumper dress, you just add this on top. It's just a way those details you add to your outfit to take it to the next level. That's the word I was searching for. I see this number as an accessory. You know, those days you just have those basic outfit that is not speaking. Adding a little different type of details, you just take it to the next level. It's just a way to build your wardrobe. I don't know if you can see the size, and the price point is amazing. It's very, very affordable. Like, it's like going to a grocery store to go and buy some salad. Look at the price point. I think it's amazing. I love this type of number that I know that I can play with, because I have Zara different type of oversized coming. So that is why I decided to go for this neutral, because I know since I have different type of color, neutral will go with almost all of them. I imagine myself even with super high waist denim, black, white, neutral, with this number and cropped, I'm ready to go for this summer. So it's something that I can rock for winter, I can rock for summer, or top of dresses. I think it will look nice. So let me know what you think. I will show you it on the cutter. I will try to style these items different way, because my previous blazer, or I didn't style it this time around. I'm going to style it. For all my subscribers that leave me comment, I read your comment. I'm going to style it different way so that you can really see the fit and the look. Guys, the other items I pick in this set is this amazing number. Look at it. Wow, I love this color. I think it's amazing. Look at the price points. You can't go wrong. This type of number is something that you can style with different type of denim, leggings. Look at the length. Or you can even use it as a loungewear, because since it's very, very affordable now. But personally, I have intention to style it at, I have intention to style it to work, because it's very, very elegant. I hope you can see the hand, and you have this oversized effect. I will say size down. I hope I'm able to show, and you have these details of rope. You can even decide to remove the rope, put any rope, any belt of your choice, or you can even decide to do without the rope. Depends on your sense of fashion. I love this type of number. I think it's very, very elegant. I hope I'm able to show you the details. And you have this off-white finish, and the price point is amazing. I will say this is the time to build your Castro wardrobe, and this is the time to take those pieces that will elevate your presence. You know, we are still learning. Personally, I'm still learning. I'm trying to take my wardrobe to the next level. You know, there are some items you need on that particular day, on that particular moment, that will just take your wardrobe to the next level. If you have opportunity to travel, a jeggings or leggings with tee with this number, you will look very, very chic and polished. Guys, I decided to pick these shorts because I just have this vision that both of them, they will go together. Although the short is part of their new collection, it's full price, but it's still affordable. It's not too expensive. I hope I'm able to show you. I think both of them together, they look very, very nice, because I have this thing that I will just see something else will just come to my mind. I will say, okay, two of them together. So I will show you to the curtains and let me know if you think it look nice together, because I was just thinking about it. I think it will work. because although it's not too matching, but it still look very, very tasteful and put together. And the short, I hope I'm able to show you, is very, very free. So if you are searching for those summer short that is free, that is not restrictive, I will say give this number a try. So guys, let me know what you think about these elegant pieces, because this haul is more about elegance, class, improving your presence, taking your presence to the next level. Because I have this belief that when someone saw you, first of all, it's going to judge you, the way you look, the way you smell, before you know whether you are intelligent or not intelligent. So I like to bring myself together just for myself. I think all my subscribers, we all like to take fashion to the next level, but at the same time we are still without breaking the bank. It's just a way to play with fashion. I think fashion is something that you catch fun with. I really enjoy doing this video. I really enjoy picking these pieces. And if you want to see other haul for me, or you want me to do other type of haul from Zara or for that brand, leave me comment below. I will take it into consideration, and I have intention to take my channel to the next level. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Please support my channel, because I really appreciate it, and I read all your comments. And don't forget to leave me comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up, and you are very welcome.